This is an instructional video on how to use FlipGrid. First, you'll want to click on the FlipGrid link. Then, you'll read the prompt at the top and think about what you're going to say in your video. You'll have about a minute and a half to create a video response to the question in the prompt. In order to record a response, you'll click Record a Response. Then, you'll have about a minute and a half to record your video. When you're finished, it will ask you to write your name and a title for the video, and you'll hit Submit. Once people start submitting their videos, the responses will appear here. Your job is to click on 2 of the videos to respond to your classmates' responses. To do that, you'll see a box with your classmate's video in this space. You'll click on it. You'll hit play to watch their video, and then there'll be a button to add a video comment. You'll click that button. You'll record your response, which will be about a minute and a half, and then you'll hit Submit. If you're wondering if your video is submitted properly, all you have to do is come back to the main screen and you'll see your video posted here.